Hello, and welcome to Speak Slow English, the podcast for learning English in a calm and easy way. My name is Emily, and I'm so glad you're here today.
Today, we are going to do some shadowing practice together. This is a great way to improve your pronunciation, your rhythm, and your confidence when you speak. Our topic for today is talking about your job. We will practice simple, natural sentences that you can use in your daily life.
Remember to speak out loud with me. It's okay if you make mistakes. The most important thing is to try. Are you ready? Good. Let's begin. First, let's practice the basic question. Listen and repeat after me. What do you do? Let's try that again. A little slower. What do you do? Great job! Now let's practice some simple answers. I am a teacher. Now you say it. Good. Let's try another one. I am a student. Your turn. Speak with me. I am a student. Here's another way to answer. I work as a doctor. Now you say it. Let's try that one more time. I work as a doctor. Excellent. Let's practice a few more professions. Remember to repeat after me. You're doing well. Okay, next one. I work in marketing. I work in marketing. Okay, another example. I work in sales. Excellent. Let's move on. Now let's talk about where you work. Try this sentence. I work in an office. I work in an office. This next one is very common now, right? I work from home. Your turn. Wonderful. Let's practice with specific places. I work at a school. Now you. I work at a hospital. Great job! Now let's describe the company. I work for a big company. One more time. I work for a big company. Or maybe, I work for a small business. Your turn. You are doing so well. Let's take a very short break from speaking.
If you are enjoying this practice, please take a moment to like this episode. It really helps the channel grow. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to Speak Slow English so you don't miss our daily episodes. One more thing, I would love to hear from you. After we finish, please write one sentence in English in the comments. You know, practice is so important. Okay, are you ready to continue? Let's keep going. Now let's talk about your responsibilities. This section is called Try This Sentence. I am responsible for customer service. I am responsible for customer service. Very good. Here's another one. I manage a team of 5 people. I manage a team of 5 people. My job involves a lot of writing. Your turn. Last one for this section. Ready? I have to attend meetings every day. Let's try again. I have to attend meetings every day. Great work today. You practiced many useful sentences. You should be proud of yourself. Now it's your turn to practice on your own. What do you do for work? You can use one of the sentences we practiced today or write your own. I can't wait to read your answers. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Remember, speaking English every day, even for just a few minutes, will help you improve so much. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye for now.